Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to print title or heading on every page in Excel. Friends, normally when we print a document in Excel, we only able to print title and heading on first page. Like if I want to print this document, for that I will press Ctrl P on my keyboard. Now here on the first page it is showing the company name and the header of the rows. Now on the second page it is only showing the data and there is no company name or row headings. So to print company name and row heading on every page, you simply need to press on the page layout tab and here you will find print titles. Now in print titles you need to click on rows to repeat at top. After clicking here, you need to click on the rows you want to repeat on every page. Now I have selected the first two rows and click on OK. Now I will again press Ctrl P. Now here the company name and the row headings is available on the first page as well as on second page and third page. So friends, like this you can very easily print row heading on every page in Excel. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.